Although Orlando Pirates has made me realize that 3 goals is equals to 7 goals. Chineke. Mamelodi Sundowns were chasing goals. Orlando Pirates chasing points. At the end of the day, 7 goal difference still intact. Chineke. This is what we call teamwork. Everybody, declare your position. Play your part. And today, impact players turned up. 3 solid goals. No smell, no menge, no wahala. Everything smooth like the whistle. Patrick scored his own. Sebelebele scored his own. Apolis scored his own. Mofokeng playing his part. Sifochen playing his part. And you say that Pirates are not going for the league this season. Can we just calm down, guys, and tell ourselves the truth? The league is over. Because make it make sense. Who is going to stop this Orlando Pirates that we are seeing today? Hey! Well, nothing lasts forever. I think that Sundowns are done with the league this season. And Pirates, they are the new deal. Or more, he could choke.
As much as it pains me to say this, Marabafetu, the league is gone. The league is gone. Angifuna ukusicambela namanga sithi hayi amathuba sase it's try bafana. The league is gone. I can't believe that Abdeslam Ouaddou is about to deliver the Betway Premiership to Orlando Pirates. And the into ebuhlungu ukuthi we will be there when it happens. Anyways, another great display by Orlando Pirates, but ayikho into emangazayo ngalento eyenzekile. Into ebesivele silindele. Even though kunezinto nje ezincane la ezibe yindida. Mangithi ngiyayibuka kodwa ke asikho lapho manje. Ngasho ngathi i-injury kaMremi might be a blessing in disguise for uTito, Patrick Tito Maswanganyi. Gets yet another goal because with Rele moving to the left, him operating on that number 10 role, kuzombhenefitha lokho. Buka manje uhlalisa amadoda phansi washaya net waphuma hamba. Salute to him. Sibelebele continues with his great form by getting a goal. I mean, the follower, I think we all know his quality. Upeti moto and the engine is service. His ability to run up and down on that right flank is second to none. Abeko baningi abantu abanale ability there. Salute to him for getting the goal. About the second goal, great finish. And lastly, Oswin Apolis uyosheza uMalume. He's my player of the season. Well-deserved man of the match. Ngasho bafana ngathi we will be there when Sipho Chain breaks the record of the most clean sheets with PSL. A couple of days ago, beka break record le Pirates held by Monif Joseph. Right now, break a record le PSL that was held by Ronan Williams. Take this man to the World Cup, man. What are we even discussing here? Kukhulunywane. Take this man to the World Cup. Salute to this brewer. A lot of criticism this season and other seasons. Held it down. 19 clean sheets. Umsebenzi omuhle maqhubeke ndoda. Salute.
When I saw Maswanganyi scoring the opener like that and yet not celebrating, that's when I knew that we are cooked. They no longer celebrate goals. They don't celebrate goals. Orlando Pirates doesn't celebrate goals anymore. The Orlando Pirates that we had this season was ruthless, was hungry, was determined, and the mindset was priceless. And to those who will remember, I've said this before, and I'll say it again. Sometimes, in anything, you are as good as you are allowed to be. I think I said this about players, but now, let's relate it to teams. Sometimes, you are only as good as you are allowed to be, because let's be honest, Mamelodi Sundowns always reaches this amount of points in a season, but Orlando Pirates just didn't allow them this season to win the league with those amounts of points. They fought, and that's why now it's looking like the league is finally slipping away from them because they were challenged. One can also say they were stretched beyond their limits, and now they're not used to it. They're not used to the pressure. What we are currently experiencing right now is etiquette, mindset, teamwork, and hunger, possibly defeating quality, experience, and value. This Orlando Pirates team is cold. Take a bow.
Hayi siyabonga bakuthi basebenzile abafana siyabonga nje 3 points we move. I think Mekukhona uChiples ezemfethu sishaya ama-shots empethu awasave. Namhlanje besingashuthi kodwa bekhona. I think Orlando Pirates urile maye ngekho emodini kuyabonakala ukuthi hayi khona. Libonile igoli latito. Lalisa amadoda. Ngabe uselishaya okwesibili manje lela goli. Wayeseqede ngabantu kwigame yeMarumo Gallants umbothuma wamaka. Ayi namhlanje ke mahopa-ke bengale walishaya. Ulishaya ngemove eqala uyena le esenta baba. Hayibo Tito. Ayibafethu uMoremi kuyazwakala ukuthi akekho. Kuyabonakala uyanini. Angezwe abafethu. Uba umunye ungekho John Wick. Hayibo bapha abantu. Ya kodwa-ke cha nje congratulations change my attitude. Record breaking goalkeeper njengoba 19 in a single season. Nawe laba u2 wasele ngisawa ayile. Shuthi 21 kahle igoli. Kodwa ke bakwethu Magesi njani? Ayihambi bafethu Magesi. Ori kanjani? Ayakuza abanye ayikho lento mfethu. Ayikho quality abanayo. Cishe baqeda igame without a shot on target. Indlela bekube ngayo kodwa ke siyabonga abafethu angikhali ngalutho. Kahlahla ngifuna ukukhala. Ya, ngicela ngisho njalo. Ngibone bekora mfethu bengaselebrate. Kuyasho ukuthi hayibo. Lezi zinto ezenzeke ngale zenze something ngalanga kuthina kodwa hayi siyeke into zangale okhipha bethu bakwi World Cup lapha.
Kameke njekishe the sky is the hot uba noma baziva njani ngoku emveni kwezigoli sizikore kuMagesi. Yo hello sisi cela uzazi office zeMamelodi Sundowns ezo. Oh okay good. Yes uthetha noTumelo Trom. Speak person sabalandeli beOrlando Pirates nepresident yabalandeli bebhola iAfrika yonke jikelele. Every Africa. We are very excitement. Orlando Pirates is doing extravaganza, extra mural, extra large. Sorry? No, sisindithi mandinichekishwa inoba niziva njani ngokwemveni kwezigoli sizigore kuMagesi. Ndichuba kaloku yanwebeka la nto benizama uyilungisa nina yegoal difference nizama uyivala seyiphinde yanwebeka ngoku. Sorry? No, mamela sisi ndizonicacisela nje uba nileqa ukhozi ngenja xa nifuna ulungisa ingxaki yegoal difference kwiPirates because ndimamele kaloku sisi ndimamele because kaloku kuthina into yegoal difference siyilwele kudala uzuyilwela ngoku late xa uyilwela ngoku enye into ezawuninceda next time ke mhlambe next season ningathi xa nikora kakhulu nibe nivulele ingxaki yenu nina niphinde nivulele niyaconsider kakhulu nikora goals niphinde nivulele thina siyibetha nge-clean sheets lenzo zakucacisela ngenye imini uba incedisa phi loo nto leyo ulate ngoku usekhona kudrupi. We are very excitement.
Mr. Clean Sheet Sipho Chain, guys, a new record has been set by goalkeeper with Orlando Pirates, Sipho Chain. He has managed to keep a clean sheet here, 19, which is something that has never been done in the PSL. The most that have been kept were clean sheet here, 18, which were kept by Uronza Williams of Mamelodi Sundowns. Today, Sipho Chain has decided to set a new record. Lapo Orlando Pirates still has 2 games to play before season iphele. So anything is possible. He might raise the number to 19, 20. We will see. But for now, to 2021, for now, he has managed to keep a clean sheet out 19. Congratulations to Sipho Chain. He is the only national team goalkeeper who did not concede a goal, by the way, today. We saw our national team goalkeepers conceding 4 goals. So Hugo Bros unomsebenzi omukhulu ezandleni zakho. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, congratulations to Sipho Chain. Well deserved. The guy really fights for ama clean sheets akhe uma sekufika isikhathi sokuthi awalwele. That's all I'm gonna say. Congratulations and well deserved.
Ngiyabo leliki. Sekuvele kwacaca nje ukuthi iligi ngeyomeza. Nafike nathatha iMTN 8. Nangabi nangxolo. Nathatha iBlack Label. Nangabi nankinga ke vele mina noBia. Nathatha umntwana weBlack Label. Ngasho mina ndathi i-challenge yeni Sundowns kodwa zange nithi ithathe serious kangaka indaba yeligi. Oh, izawubande isizini elandelayo umlomo wami uyobekwa isolo tape ngoba khokwane niyoyithetha nizothi ndiyathetha ngivezele iBlack Label. Ndithi ndiyathetha ngivezele MTN 8. Ndithi ndiyathetha kuvezwe umntwana weBlack Label. Ndithi ndiyathetha ndivalwe ngeligi. Oh, bawo.
Look, Kaizer Chiefs fans, get your passports ready.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, get your passport ready, get your visa ready, because I am telling you, come the 23rd of May, when these men are officially crowned as the Betway Premiership champions, in around 5 p.m., we are taking the next flight. We are leaving this country. Because I assure you, you don't want to live in a country where Orlando Pirates have just won the league. Just imagine the amount of cooking we're going to get. Just imagine. I won't be here for that. I'm going to go to the US, watch the World Cup, and come back next season, mid-season. I won't be here. I won't be here for that. So get your passport ready. Book your flights right now. Right now.
Ayisikhona isandla semfene sikhona bafethu angifuni ukucamba manga. Bafethu, kanti iMamelodi Sundowns mayilone iplayer guys, ilone iplayer. Liyadlala against iMamelodi Sundowns. Phela mangikhumbula kahle ngathi uGos vele. Ngathi uye ngeloni lapha kuSwelele. So udlala kanjani neMamelodi Sundowns? Badlala kanjani bafethu? Guys, ngicela ukubuza bafethu. Maybe yimi engisalele emuva iSwelele simthengile. Mara mina ngagcina ahambe ngeloni bafethu. Wonke ama player aloniwe Sundowns awadlali against iSundowns. Kuza kanjani ugoalkeeper kovimba yena then nakungena 7 goal. Njengoba ngikhuluma manje 7. Cha uthi labantu bangashaya even na 10 goal. Bafethu yabona la. Bathi mesh fixing. Bayifixile. Uyathanda noma uthandi. Bayifixile iMamelodi Sundowns ifixile.
Angazi ukuthi uKiller is happy about that or you're complaining, but anyways, and uKiller bengakhuluma ngegame yePirates, so I don't know ukuthi wenza le video, but all I can say ukuthi my ring light iyafifiza mfethu ngathi iyafa, so please I didn't say any ring light or something mfethu, but again coming into the game I knew we were going to win, but I was expecting maybe like 4 or 5 goals just so we can be safe in face, because like when sometimes we change in face and looking at how TS Galaxy idlala ngakhona these days, sometimes we must score 9 against them or they must score 10. So I needed like maybe like 4 or 5 goals just so we can be safe. Ngazi ukuthi game ezayo mfethu sha maybe 2, then the last game no Orbit College sha munye 5 or 6, because below Orbit College nazi nami ukuthi yabo sikanje now. So mfethu, yeah, that's all I can say about the game namhlanje. And again I keep saying this thing, ucoach was wrong ukuthi bench uMaswanganye all along. You understand ukuthi vele uReal mfethu like was having a run of his life, like bekadlala kamnandi uReal mfethu, but you can't ufaka uTito ngo 80 minutes 10, you can't give Tito 10 minutes bro, you just can't. He's that good. Inhlezi ngisho ukuthi Tito has a goal in him, une assist yena bro. Look buka wenzeni namhlanje, and he keeps proving ama haters like wrong.
And that's what I like about him. He's not the most loud or the most vocal person ongamthola, but the moment angene ground in Twitter, he's going to play. And he might score, he might assist, and that's just how good he is. And like he's raising his hand, even though the league is almost over or is over. I'm just saying, if he played all along, so shout out to Tito for that, and shout out to Sbilibili again. I don't think we need to Van Roy and Martin Fields like a good right back. I'm not saying we don't need him, but I feel like Usbilibili cementile position like a right back. I'm here to stay. Because I'm not comfortable. Even though he's a good player, I'm comfortable. I even prefer Ulbis over Udino. But now, seeing Usbilibili playing like that, I'm fulfilled by Futungi happy. And yeah, keep my head down and hope with the next 2 games I'll find out disappoint by Futu. Okay, sure. Subscribe, comment. Good late man. Go 12. Bro. Look at this. 12:08. So I might as well just finish up the video and upload there. Zambona ngegame yakusasa against the Chiefs ne Cocoon. Yeah.